What's up, guys? So I'm going to show you guys how I've made $62. I know that's not really anything, but let's get straight into it. So on the hourly, saw that we were pretty bullish. Pretty bullish. Hourly fair value gap. We're respecting the range, rejecting the range. So I'm like, okay, we're probably going to be bullish. This is pre-market right here. So if we replay, let's 7 a.m., 8 a.m. We were pretty much like this pre-market. So I was like, okay, I would want to see some manipulation down, continuation higher. Simple, like I always keep my trade nice and simple. We also had New York lunch low, New York PM low, Asia low, London low, and then if we wanted to really get lucky, we had New York AM low all the way down here. I wanted to see us at least manipulate all the way down here and then start coming back up. But we didn't get that. We only got London and Asia manipulation. So we manipulated down, came down. Scroll out. Took out London, took out Asia. We left a 5-minute fair value gap right here. But we kept displacing down. I saw that we kind of inversed a little bit. So I kind of took the trade off the inverse. Let's go to the 1 minute. So actually, you know what? Sorry. This wasn't a real inverse, so I didn't take this. I didn't take this setup. So let's exit this out. I did not take this setup, but we still wanted to go up. So I pretty much just waited for a simple retracement. So we made a simple, I think this was a 1 minute or a 5 minute. No, this is a 1 minute. 1 minute fair value gap. I saw us trending up slowly. So this is where I took my first trade. Boom. And pretty much took it up here for I tried to take it as up here, but we just kept coming down and it took me out. I wanted to confirm some profit, but it kind of just took me out right around here. And it's a good thing it did, because we tapped it and then we just started tumbling down. So as you guys can see, we just started going back down. So, and my targets were all the way up here. My targets were up here. So yeah, I could have made more money, but I was really only on one contract. So I wasn't really going to make that much money. So I was off of one contract. So this is the setup for the day. Boom. Came up, took me out right around here. It came up to up here actually, then came back down, took me out right here. Then we started going back up again. And then I guess we took out more liquidity. And took out more liquidity up here, and then we started coming down. So I knew we were going to at least take these out, but this was my target all the way up here. I know this is kind of a long shot, but I still went for it anyway. And yeah, that's it. Market continued, and yeah, that's what we did. Market continued to go lower, actually. Lower, boom. We actually went into this hourly fair value gap, retraced out of it. When we go into deep fair value gaps like this and we retrace out with no volatility, that usually means we're either going to consolidate or we're probably just going to start falling down. So I'm very wary of trading these all-time highs, because it's a little bit scary, you know, it's a little bit scary. But yeah, this is pretty much what we did. Went up, down, off of 1 hour, went all the way up, chopped, went back up, chopped, down, chopped. So that was literally all we did today. And yeah. So, all right, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.